Let's make some peach cobbler unleavened bread. This bread won't be quick to make, so we're going to need a couple of hours and some patience, but it will be worth it. We're going to start off with the crumb by mixing the flour, sugar, and butter together until it forms this coarse texture. Spread the mixture out on a baking pan lined with parchment paper, then bake it in a preheated oven of 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. While that's baking, start preparing the bread by mixing the flour and the salt together, then set it aside. Cream the butter and the sugar together until it's light and fluffy. Once your crumb topping is done baking, go ahead and lower the oven to 325. Add the cream cheese and mix until it's combined. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing after each addition until they're combined. Mix in the vanilla extract. Then add the flour mixture, a half a cup to a cup at a time on low speed until it's combined. Don't forget to scrape the sides of the bowl as well. And then you're going to fold in 1 cup of the drained peaches into that batter. Pour the batter into your prepped 9x13 bakeware and use a spatula to make it as even as possible. Moving on to the peach topping, mix the drained peach juice, cinnamon, nutmeg, brown sugar, and the remaining peaches in a bowl. Spoon the peaches and your desired amount of the peach juice on top of the batter. Keep at least 1/4 cup of that juice to make the glaze. Bake it in the oven at 325 for an hour and 15 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Moving on to the crumb, break it into pieces and use a food processor to get smaller crumbs. While the unleavened bread cools, prepare the glaze by mixing the powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of the peach juice in a bowl until it's combined. Wait until the bread cools if you decide to remove it from the pan. Add your desired amount of glaze and crumb to the top of the unleavened bread and enjoy. Check the description box for the recipe and notes on making this unleavened bread. If you decide to make this for yourself, I want to know how it turned out, so let me know in the comments. Happy baking!